A plant is 15 inches tall after 20 days. After 35 days, it is 45 inches. Write an equation for the relationship between the height of the plant and time, and then we'll predict how tall the plant will be after 50 days. So, to begin with, we're going to find the slope, or we might call that the rate of change. And I'm going to have the inches on top. I'm going to do the change in the inches on the top, and I'm going to have the change in the days on the bottom. I do the words like that to help me remember which one goes on top. So I'm going to do the 45 inches minus the 15 inches. So I'll get the change in inches there. 45 inches minus 15 inches. And that gives me 30 inches. And then on the bottom, I'll do the change in days. 35 days minus the 20 days. And that gives me 15. And that tells me that my constant rate of change is 2. Now, that's a huge part of our equation, but it's not everything. So let's write the y equals 2x plus b. That might sound familiar as the slope-intercept form. Now we just have to find b. I'm going to use one of the values. I've got 35 days. That's x. So I'm going to put in 35 for x. And I'm going to put in 45 inches for y. This is going to help me to solve for b. So you can put 2 times 35 in your calculator. That's going to give you 70. And then subtract 70 from both sides. You're going to get a negative 25 here for b. That's going to allow us to take this equation and go ahead and plug in negative 25 for b. And that gives us our equation. Once we have our equation, we can use